Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. So I want to go to the market to buy some things, and I also want to buy some things, one of my follower, my YouTube fan, one of my YouTube biggest fan, all the way from South Germany. Yes, he's from Nigeria, but he resides in Germany. He gifted my son some money to buy some drawing things for him. Some of you that were in my live stream last week, last week, Mr. Ifeanyi Trapo. I used to find it difficult to pronounce his name, okay? But if you know Mr. Ifeanyi Siko Trapolo, yes, he gifted my son. He has been a blessing to me and my family. Yes, he has been a blessing to me and my family, and we sincerely appreciate. So let me show you what I was able to get for him. Yes, with the money. Yes, and they are so excited. So let me show you. But kindly give me a like. Show some love. Show some love by liking this video. So thank you so much. So let's go. So I bought this for him, but let me show you the main gift, okay? Let me show you the main thing. This is just a side one. Yes. So how does it look on him? So cute.
My daughter.
And I also bought for my daughter too. Yes, they are so excited. They are so excited.
Oh yeah, say thank you, sir.
Yes.
Thank you, sir.
So thank you so much. They sincerely appreciate. So let me show you the drawing things that I bought for them.
Everyone. Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Yes.
So I bought some drawing books, colors.
Yes, we have pencil at home, HB pencil, sharpener, and eraser. Yes, so this was a gift from Mr. Ifeanyi, the creative winning studio, all the way from South Germany. Yes, it was one that gifted my son. He came to my live stream. He saw him drawing. And he gifted him. Yes, so it's out of the money that I bought this Christmas design for them. Yes. So thank you so much, Mr. Ifeanyi. They really appreciate it. They are happy. Yes, change remain. So I will use that one to buy other things for them.
Look at me.
So we sincerely appreciate. God bless you so much.